Snyder coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got something exotic and amazing. This is Cup Noodles Teriyaki Chicken, #1 in Japan, and this hails from... Where? Where do you think this comes from? It's from Germany. Yeah. Deutschland. God, you know what I should get on the show is oh my God, Raphael, my friend Raphael. He lives in Germany, and so does our friend Eric. He lives in Germany too. That'd be kind of neat. Friends in Noodles. Actually, Raphael runs or he doesn't run it, but he's part of a team that does Happy Super, which is HAPPYSOUPER.DE for Deutschland. They review instant noodles. He does a lot of it, but there's other people that do it too. It's pretty cool. It's neat to see different perspectives, and especially to see that they get different varieties over there than I even ever see. It's like, yeah, I went to the store, got this one, this one, this one. It's like, dude, I would just kill to spend time in the grocery stores in Germany. It's like, dude, we don't have anything here. I'm like, you got a lot of stuff I'd have never seen. Anyways, let's get this show on the road, adding the boiling water to the line. And that's gonna go hang out for 3 minutes. And now it's time for our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotations from the guy who invented instant noodles. If you're a Star Trek fan, if you will, this is a Ferengi rules of acquisition for noodle company CEOs. So here we go. Number 211, walk with your own 2 feet and look with your own 2 eyes. Otherwise, what you say will have neither weight nor persuasiveness. Okay. So yeah, I was able to get out, did a bunch of walking today. Was waiting around for his last class, but the teacher never showed up. But I think this is a materials pickup day. So the kids, when they have school at home, there's all these... Oh, that's what that is. I was looking at the thing off camera. Anyway, they get materials. So they get like stuff for craft projects and art, and glue sticks, and everything you'd have for school. Well, there are certain days where you go pick them up. And unfortunately, they're 99% of the time, they're like totally inopportune for my wife to jump out of work and take a break and go get it. 2 of them today, one for my daughter and one for my son. So we'll have to figure out how to maybe do one on a Thursday, on tomorrow, and one the day after tomorrow. But yeah. But school pictures, you got his school pictures. I'll have to do something about that. Oh yeah, and we got a new box for the Legos. That's kind of exciting around here because the box came in a box, of course. So there'll be an intro or an outro with that in it. Excitement, fun for the whole family this morning. But yeah, she made the magic eggs last night. This is a tricky one. So this is just a cup noodle. So what I have to do to make these look nice is get rid of a lot of the noodles, because basically you've got a cup with a small amount of broth and a lot of noodles, and the only way that you can make it look other than just a pile of noodles is get rid of some noodles so you can see more broth. So that's the plan. That's what I'm going to attempt to do. This one smelled really good. I was definitely impressed by that. Let's do this. Yeah, not a lot of liquid left. Not a lot of liquid. But I got chicken. I've got egg. Yeah. Let's have a look in here. Looks like there's a bunch of goodness. pretty goodness. There's some, it's like chicken. Chicken in bits, chicken in bits. Give this stuff a try. A little sweet. Pretty much your standard cup noodly noodle. They're thin and they're kind of flat. And they're plentiful. I mean, there's a lot of noodle in here. Flavor's pretty good though. So let me take out about like that much more. That should do. And here comes old Rotato. How are you doing today, Rotato? I don't expect an answer. The one I do next is going to be really trippy. It's a Chinese variety. Oh, here we go. See what I mean? It just ends up being just this big sloppy mess. A lot of bits in here. I'm curious about this. This almost looks like it might be garlic. Nope. It's a nut. Yeah. That's pretty good. Maybe I'll take out another little chunk of noodle. I am gonna gussy this up the best I can. Oh my. Alright, so first off, I've got some chicken. I mean, it's a chicken noodle. Gotta have some chicken. Baked some chicken, a little bit of shichimi on it. There, that piece looks a little better. Came out pretty good. Oh, a beauty egg. Oh, that. Ladies and gentlemen, does she make a beautiful egg or what? Look at those. Damn. That's art. That is freaking art. Now, there's so many questions I've been getting lately about how to do these kind of eggs. We are going to do a video. And it should end up becoming the ipso facto video of ease and enjoyment of making ramen eggs, okay? So that's gonna be coming soon. Because we hassled with it a lot, and we finally figured out just the right way. And what's really important also is the size of eggs. These are extra large. If you asked me, well, or yeah, you said, well, how long do you do it for a small egg? Like, we don't know. Pop this up a little bit. A little bit of shichimi. A little bit of oil. I think maybe some oil on the egg itself. Yes. And a little bit of sesame seed. And there you go. That is that. So let's get a beauty shot ready to go. We got new lights in here too. Alright. Alright, so this will be the next one you see. It's this stuff. And this is called Sanyang Yishi Classic Guilin Rice Noodle. Never had it before. It's a rice noodle. You cook the rice noodle for a couple minutes, you drain it, and then stir all these sachets in. It's supposed to be good. Anyways, yeah, this has been Odds the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye. Bye.